Q services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube like normal. What I've got here is the mini quick releases. These are stainless steel. We've then got the 1/4 inch stainless steel fitting as well, male union. So the threads on this, you've got the 1/4 female, the 1/4 male thread. We then class these as the female side of the quick release with the ball bearings in. Now inside there you've got the two options. You've got the chemical resistant that we have available, but they come with a standard O-ring inside them. You've got the 1/4 female and you've got the 1/4 male at this side, but like I say, these are classed as female. That part is classed as a nose, that's the male end. So female. Now like I say, the O-ring, it comes, you'll see the O-ring at the bottom. You should never use these without anything in them because it will blow the O-ring out. So make sure if you're pulling the trigger, you've always got a nozzle in there or something attached into it so the O-ring doesn't get blown out the other side. So when we talk about 1/4, now if you got a ruler and measured it, you'd find that it measures as near as, damn it, 1/2 inch. A BSP thread 1/4. So always take note on that. So about 12mm in diameter, that side of it. So always remember. But these are stainless steel, 275 bar rated, 30 litres a minute they'll cope with, and like I say, this is a stainless steel mini quick release range. Thank you very much. Q services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.